welcome back to the channel. Experience clear sound and all-day comfort with the Sony MDR-EX15LP in-ear earbud headphones. Designed with precision-engineered 9mm neodymium drivers, these earbuds deliver rich, balanced audio and deep bass in a compact, lightweight design. Whether you're commuting, studying, or relaxing, enjoy your favorite tunes with Sony's signature sound clarity and snug, comfortable fit. Advanced Bluetooth. Experience seamless connectivity and stable wireless performance with Bluetooth. Enjoy open-ear air conduction technology for comfortable, non-in-ear listening, perfect for staying aware of your surroundings, enhancing safety during outdoor activities like gym, workouts, running, or cycling. Crystal Clear Calls Music. Noise reduction headphones equipped with ANC microphones, these earbuds deliver clear calls and immersive music. The McGuffet bass enhancement algorithm intensifies low frequencies, providing rich, deep bass and balanced sound quality for an uninterrupted listening experience. Lightweight long-lasting comfort. Ultra-lightweight design with ergonomic titanium memory wire ensures long-lasting comfort and adapts to different ear shapes, offering a weightless listening experience ideal for extended use. High-quality sound performance. Equipped with high-quality 9mm drivers, the Sony MDR-EX15LP earbuds produce clear treble, balanced mids, and deep bass. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks, you'll enjoy a rich and immersive sound experience. High-energy neodymium magnets for powerful sound. Noise isolation. Experience Sony's signature sound quality with the bank. The MDR-EX15LP offers premium audio at a budget-friendly price, making it the perfect everyday earbuds. The in-ear design provides passive noise isolation, helping you focus on your music or calls while blocking out unwanted background noise. Multiple color options. Express your style. Choose from multiple color options to match your personality, whether you prefer classic black, sleek white, vibrant blue, or trendy pink. The Sony MDR-EX15LP earbuds prove that great sound doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. With their sleek style, noise-isolating fit, and crystal-clear audio, they're perfect for everyday listening. Plug in, tune out, and enjoy your music the Sony way: simple, reliable, and effortlessly enjoyable. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.